Hey everybody, I'm here outside of 25577 West Nancy Lane here in Buckeye. This is a 3,600 square foot, approximately 9,000 square foot lot with a pool, 5 bedroom. I believe it's 3 full baths, maybe 4 full baths. I don't know. Still getting the details on it, but this is going to be coming up soon. We're going to take a quick tour of it, and I guess we'll find out how many bathrooms it has specifically. Let's go take a look. All right, now first thing you're going to notice when you come up is that it's on the interior. Well, kind of like an interior corner, I guess you can say. So you can see as it bends back and forth, this is a really nice pie-shaped lot. So there is where you get your 9,000 square feet from. It's got very nice artificial grass and grand entryway. Now, you'll notice that there's newer laminate flooring, and you've got kind of nice gray updated carpeting. It's got your traditional floor plan of formal dining room here with your living room. Now look at this beautiful stairway with the wrought iron as it comes up. Look how beautiful that looks with the sconce. Okay, then as we come through, you notice how they perfectly place the windows to get your eye right to that backyard. Notice the pool, and you have your view fence because that's a wash back there with a really nice walkway. Nobody could see in. And here just off the family room, as you can see, the perfect office. And as we turn around, you can see the nice open floor plan. You got the larger cabinets, cherry wood, you got the kitchen island, big old pantry. Very functional. As we come around downstairs, you do have a nice sized bedroom. Look at this. Okay, this has got to be at least, that's got to be at least 16 feet, probably by 10 feet or 11 feet here. And then you got the tall closets with the mirrors. How nice is that? You got a couple closets, linen closet. There's your 2-car garage right out there. But of course, full bath downstairs. Perfectly located off the bedroom. You got your family room, office. Perfect. Okay. I love this as you come up, how it just kind of perfectly sticks out. So you just come right on up. The carpet, the padding is so squishy. The people that lived here didn't actually live here full time. It was a season, a winter home for them. So this is a really nice sectional set that they searched really hard to find one that fit perfectly. So that can be included if you like. Barely used, basically brand new. It's really nice. But here's your upstairs loft. To the left, here's bedroom. I guess we call this guest bedroom number 2. All the bedrooms are larger than normal. I guess larger than average would be the proper way to say that. Here we have upstairs laundry. Look at how big that is. Okay, continuing down the side, come up to the restroom. Nice size restroom. Full tub and shower. And notice the glass. See, it's not just basic. This whole home is nicely upgraded. Upstairs linen closet, of course. And then here at the end, again, nice sized bedroom. That's got to be 14 feet by at least 12 or 13 feet. I mean, this is a queen size bed, and you have plenty of room on each side. And look at that. Kind of looking down from above. Look how pretty that is. Okay, so we're gonna save the master bedroom for last. Here we go. Okay, so question. Would you call this a media room, a loft, a playroom? What would you call this? You've got all of your outlets, plugins, perfect for a pool table, arcades, theater. Seriously, what would you guys use it for? Please leave your comments below. Okay, now to the right, just off that, next bedroom. So this might be the closest to a standard bedroom in this house, and I still think it's 12 by 11 or so. This is still larger than your average guest bed. And hey, I guess to make up for the fact that this is slightly smaller, you actually get a walk-in closet. There you go, makes up for it. Okay, so coming to the long-awaited master bedroom. Of course, needs the French doors up front. Look at that, natural light, beautiful. Now, would you put your bed there between those two? Yeah, probably. TV over here. Back, master bath. So nice sized shower, a little larger than average. Garden tub with the window. Dual sinks. Water closet. And of course, nice sized walk-in closet. Look at this. Dresser. Alright, so we are rocking. So we have so if you come up the stairs, there's the game room, guest bedroom with the walk-in closet, master, loft area, guest bed number 3. This would be guest bed. I mean laundry. Sorry about that. And there's guest bed number 4. That's what I like to say. That's birdful. Okay, let's come back downstairs. Can't wait to show you the backyard. Seriously, this is what every Arizonan lives for. There's the owners. Okay, so don't mind me as I open this. All right, so nice patio. Look at it, fully extended. Okay, you have your fans with a nice patio area. This could be a sport court. You could put a pergola. You could do so much. And then as we swing around, you see there's the beginning of the pool with the waterfall. This is a full-size pool, everyone. Not a diving pool, but this is a real swimmable pool, and it is heated. How about that? But look at the size of the patio. Then you've got barbecue, which may or may not be included. That's yet to be determined. But let me know if you are interested, because I can talk to the owner. All right, and then here we are behind the beautiful walking path. This is a really nice neighborhood in Buckeye. It is a little off the beaten path a little bit, but as you can tell, it's a very, very good, actually built-in neighborhood. We're right off of 255th Avenue. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Happily tell you about it. So as we finish up the video, I have the pool right behind me. Look at that. Yeah. So this home's probably going to be listed coming soon here in the next 2 weeks, and we're going to have an open house. See how that goes, and then yeah, it's probably going to be listed here within the next month. So if you have any questions, want to be put on the list for the open house or whatnot, give me a call back, 602-821-7460. Talk to you guys later.